What's up, guys? So today we're cleaning my Camaro. We're cleaning the engine bay. We're just doing a basic clean, you could say. It's not really that much of a deep clean. Right now we've already cleaned the left side of the car, besides like the top of the batteries and some of the wires. This would be how it looked right now. The after is pretty trash, if you could say. Yeah, we'll do it before and after once we're done. Alright, we're back, guys. We're pretty much done cleaning the engine bay. It looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than it did before. It's not the best, of course, but I mean, we're also not doing a deep clean, and we don't really want to mess with a bunch of this stuff. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it.